Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Gerry MacPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Gerry MacPherson, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of challenging yourself. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to get sidetracked? You have a list of things you need to do, but it's much easier to do something fun rather than the important, mundane tasks that have to be done. Unfortunately, this is how most of us operate. Some days we are motivated to take up essential duties and finish them on time. And then there are the days we feel demotivated and spend our working day on tasks that are easy but not so important. The main reason for this is lack of resolve, the thing that keeps disturbing your workflow habits. The best way to overcome this is to challenge ourselves. This will help keep things on track and putting off tasks a thing of the past. Here are 7 reasons why we need to challenge ourselves. 1. To be inspired. When we are challenged, we inspire ourselves. By confronting our challenges every day, we can see the result of our work consistently. This will make a positive difference in our careers and in our lives. 2. To fulfill short-term goals. When we are challenged regularly, it will make it easier to focus on our work and to help let go of putting off the tasks that need to be done. Daily challenges encourage us to complete our short-term goals, and this will help influence how we tackle our long-term goals. 3. To be organized. Challenges encourage us to finish our tasks on time. Routine helps us to improve our work, especially when the going gets hard. By following an organized and planned lifestyle, we will find ourselves on the right track. 4. To step closer to success. Challenges move us in a direction of massive success that may currently seem distant. When we are enthusiastic about finishing our goals every single day, we are slowly taking steps that are leading us to our larger idea of success. 5. To make every day valuable. We realize the value of time only when we don't have enough. Challenges every day forces us to do our daily tasks with the time given, making sure the day is not wasted. Learning to manage the precise time given to us can make all the difference. 6. To remind us of our objectives. There are times when we stop focusing on our objectives. Challenging ourselves every day, we are constantly reminded of our objective, and this drives us towards success. Think of a challenge as a wake-up call for you to help turn your eyes back on the big prize. And 7, motivates you to try harder. Every day is an opportunity to do better, and only when we challenge ourselves will we know our true potential. More than anything, challenges help us identify our positives and negatives, and teaches us to work more effectively. With these 7 reasons in mind, we want to challenge you. We want to challenge you to the 6-day challenge. We at Keystone HTC have taken our years of experience as hospitality property authorities and have produced the 6-day challenge, a video series with many actionable tips and techniques that you can take and use to help improve your property's patronage and profit. And the most exciting thing about this video series? It's 100% free. This 6-day challenge will take you step by step through the process of operating a successful hospitality property, including determining what type of owner or manager you are, how to set up your organizational structure, secrets to great customer service, how to market effectively, how to benefit from social media, and how to make your guests want to return. Whether you are operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there is always something new you can learn. As a famous quote says, never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. It's important as a hospitality property owner or manager that you never stop learning. So what have you got to lose? Are you up for the challenge? If so, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/6, the number 6, -day, -challenge, -log, -in, -here. Sign up and get immediate access to the first video. Good luck! If you would like to reach out to us or have any questions or feedback, you can leave them in the comments section of the show notes. You can find them at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC102. That's it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We appreciate your comments, and if you do have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's continue to work together to put more heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.